Hello everybody, Shalom and Assalamu alaikum. Okay, I want to talk here about the launching of Artemis 2. The oddities and the strange thing about Artemis 2. I put a critics on this event. Okay, what is the oddities of this mission? First, the NASA launched Artemis 2 and to the moon, and they claim they have several claims. Okay, that they have already fly over the moon, although they do not land. But what is the odd thing, or what is the odd thing? First, the picture they have given to us, the picture they gave to us is the same picture taken by NASA Space during John F. Kennedy in 1960s. The same picture. There is no progress. There is no progress, and there is no new things shown there. There is no new discoveries. It is a strange thing. Why it is strange? Why it is strange? For the progress of sophisticated technology, and there is no progress in the picture given. It is very strange and very awkward for the progress of the technology itself. The camera today is much more progress than the camera in 1960s during the during John F. Kennedy. Okay, so there is no new things. This is the first awkward thing, and another odd things is the picture. Okay, given by the Artemis 2. It's the same picture, okay? But they capture the picture of the moon in upside down picture, upside down picture. It is, I mean, they do not the NASA are not conscious and also are not concerned about the date of the moon, the date of the moon, and what is the phase of the moon during that date. The launch was on April 1st, okay, and they reached the moon about 6 or 5 of April 2026, okay. So, in that case, how is the shape of the moon? Let us see. The shape is, I think, you may see you may Google it. How is the shape on the 6th of April? How is the shape of the moon in the 6th of April? And the NASA picture given to us is an opposite. Understand? I think on the 6th April it is about the waning crescent, if I'm not wrong. The waning crescent of the moon. So, however, I'm just saying, I just show you, please check the moon in in 6th April. The NASA give, I mean, the shining on 6th April, the shining part of the moon is on the left one. Okay, this is the fact. But the NASA give the shining part of the shined part of the moon reflected by the sun, as claimed by the NASA, is on the right one. It is very awkward and not updated. They are not updating the calendar, the lunar calendar, okay? The moon calendar. They are not updating the lunar calendar. They are not adjusting their picture to the moon phases. Okay? Okay, another thing. What is another thing? The picture. Okay, the picture taken by NASA is not colored. It is an old-fashioned picture, not colored. How so strange? How so much? How what do you say? What a backward of this camera, huh? Okay, so this is the same picture taken by John F. Kennedy Apollo jet mission. There is no progress. It is shame. What a shame. I'm just criticizing. I'm not trolling. I'm not roasting this mission. But let us be critical in thinking and also be comprehensive in thinking. Okay? Okay, this is about my objection. I have so many objections about the NASA space mission. However, I'm just exploring one of them, some of them. Okay, I will talk a lot about so many things about astronomy. Okay, I will talk because it is part of Islamic studies discipline, that is astronomy. Astronomy is in the ancient of Islamic period is one part of the discipline. Okay? Okay? We will talk a lot about the progress. I will talk about the progress, the development of astronomy itself began the Greek period, then come to the Islamic period, and then come to the modern period, and we will put a lot of critics to all those theories. Okay? Another thing that is not being observed by the NASA mission. What? And even also by another scientist. Okay? By another scientist.